Failures of government in crushing the struggle. The government tried to suppress the movement with a hard hand, tried to stop the movement. The struggle started from small end to a large extent by ransacking the government system. More than 70,000 people were in prison, means jail mein gaye. 538 gunshots were fired. 1028 people lost their lives. 3200 people were injured. Students were injured in a gunshot, especially in Ahmedabad and Patna. A unique political consciousness was created among the people. This movement gave clear warning to the British government and message to the world at large that India cannot enslave anymore. This struggle gave a message: India cannot be enslaved anymore. The struggle really signaled by the people of India to the Britishers to quit India. The people of India now wanted a full independence. The amendment of dominion status was almost invisible by this struggle. After a struggle of 5 years, India achieved the independence. Now, Azad Hind Fauj and Subhash Chandra Bose. Students, you have already know the freedom fighter Subhash Chandra Bose. So here you have to write it down the short notes, and this is very important, students. So in detail here the given all the details of Subhash Chandra Bose given over here. You have to comprehend the answer and you have to write it down. Subhash Chandra Bose was born in Cuttack in Orissa state. 23rd January 1897. His father Rai Bahadur Janakinath Bose was government lawyer in the British judiciary, and his mother Parvati Devi was philanthropist, means Bhakti Bhav Devi. Prediction was that the Bengali lad, means Bengali boy, will become a sincere servant of Britishers. But he went on become a staunch freedom fighter. But he become a very staunch, means become very strong freedom fighter against the British Empire. He cleared the exam ICS. Okay. Good marks from the Calcutta Presidency College. He went to England for further studies. He passed the ICS Indian Civil Service examination for 4th number and returned to Calcutta. Seeds of revolution were planted in his mind, but due to insulting attitude and pride of British professors in the Presidency College toward the Indians, he was very much interested in the Indian independence struggle. He became an active member of National Assembly. He joined the Swarajya Party in 1923. He soon became very popular leader among the youth. He was in the top the civil disobedient movement, therefore jailed many times. At the young age of 41, Subhash Chandra Bose became the Congress Convention President of Congress Connection and showcased his ability. But he left it Congress. Why? Because of difference of opinion of Gandhiji. He established a new party named Forward Bloc. To awaken the plebiscite against the Britisher, so Subhash Chandra Bose travelled entire part of India. He was arrested under the Indian Defence Code and in prison. So during his in prison, he was totally ill-treated, means bad treatment given to him. He was in prison at his place of residence as his health deteriorating. So kept as a house arrest. Subhash Chandra Bose was kept as a house arrest. He started unto the death fasting. He travelled in disguise, means vesh mein, Pathan, from Calcutta via Peshawar, Kabul, Iran, Russia, and then he reached to Berlin, Germany. India living in a Germany gave him warm welcome. The person, those who are living in a Germany, Indians, give welcome him. He urged the Indian people through Berlin radio to fight against the British Empire. He met the Hitler also in Germany and discussed in detail about the independence of India. Then he went to Rome and Paris to establish military unit for the independence of India. He appointed 3,000 Indians. Okay, Ras Bihari Bose, revolutionary living in the Japan, changed all the organization and established the Indian Independence League. Ras Bihari Bose established Indian Independence League. To make India free, Azad Hind Fauj was set up. So as presence of 100 Indian delegates from Malaya, Japan, Sumatra, Java, Hong Kong, Borneo, Andaman, Burma, were in organization. In that, Mohan Singh, as a war prisoner arrested by Japan, was also present. Moreover, Ras Bihari Bose voluntarily retired from the Indian National League. Okay. Now, Azad Hind Fauj and Indian Independence League. After breaking the tight British security, Subhash Chandra Bose cleverly reached Japan from Berlin in the submarine in 1943. So, Subhash Chandra Bose that reached to the Berlin. Okay. So, moreover, Rasbihari Bose of the Indian Independence League invited Subhash Chandra Bose to be a head of the league. Japan would give him all the kind of help for the freedom. It was promised that the Japanese army giving a help to the Indian provinces, capturing Indian provinces. Provisional government would be formed and Japan would give the recognition. On July 1943, Subhash Chandra Bose went to Singapore from Japan, and there he was elected as a president of Indian Independence League on July 4, 1943. Rasbihari Bose retired from the Azad Hind Force and appointed Subhash Chandra Bose as the head of the INA. Indians residing there got a proper leader for fighting their motherhood. Subhash Chandra Bose was called Netaji. In his speech and on radio, he gave slogans, Chalo Dili, tum mujhe खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. With his skillful guidance, he formed the parallel government. He tried to convince and urge the Indians residing in Southeast Asia to sacrifice their life for the struggle of independence of India. Now, provisional government by Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose provisional government means Kamchala government, that he's become a prime minister over there. He allotted other departments also. This government was recognized by Japan, Germany, Italy and nationalized China and Burma. This government recognized Hindi as a national language and tricolor national flag given. It was decided to have income by assisting Japan independent role by property tax. Netaji visited Andaman Nicobar Island and he considered as Shaheed means Martyr and Swaraj. Now, death of the Subhash Chandra Bose. In May 1944, under the leadership of Netaji, his military units captured Rangoon from Kohima and then it's marched toward Imphal. Means Imphal is the capital of Manipur. But after the dropping the two bomb on the Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, all the money help, financial help from the Japan that stopped. So British aircraft started warfare against Azad Hind Force. So the condition became critical. So on August 18, 1945, he started from the Taipei airport of Fomsa for Tokyo, Japan. Started moving from that. But his plane caught a fire and he got a serious burns, and while undergoing treatment, he died. The mystery of the death of the Subhash Babu still that unsolved. Achieving independence and partition of India. The commanders of India army was arrested and prisoners of war were accused of treasons and put on trial. Clear? Bhulabhai Desai, Jawaharlal Nehru pleaded their case. All the prisoners of war. The whole country took a keen interest in this case. The British government inflicted them with punishment. British government had given them punishment. There were a protest against them in the entire country. So bowing to populist opinion, the government had to withdraw the punishment. All the people united, so government stopped the punishment. Government had not given the punishment to them. This event with the naval mutiny of Bombay, the government realized their rule in India will no longer be tenable. Means they cannot rule India in longer period of time. So on February 20, 1947, Attlee, the Prime Minister of Britain, announced that the British government will give all the power to the government of India as per the cabinet mission formula and shall quit the India by June 1948. Thus, in the change situation, Mountbatten was appointed as a viceroy in the place of Lord Wavell. When he took the charge in his post, communal riots has started in India. The condition of India has become pathetic. In July 1946, the Congress secured 201 seats out of 210 and Muslims 73 out of 78. For the prior formation of the Constituent Assembly, the League pressurized the government for the Pakistan, separate nation. On 16th August 1946, so terrible communal riots had spread all over the India. Looking at the situation, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, their Congress leaders They felt that there is no alternative option to give the separate country to them. So Muslim League boycotted the cabinet meeting of December 9, 1946. So Muslim League executive held in January 13, 1947 decided to boycott the cabinet meeting and rapid and extensive program for demand for the Pakistan. Mountbatten convinced the Nehru and Sardar Patel, who understood the matter, having well organized central government convinced having administrative units under the center shall be more peaceful and progressive instead of weak central government consist of many autonomous and opposite constituents. It's better to give a separate country to them. So national leaders give this argument acceptable. Sardar Patel Nehru discussed this matter with the Gandhiji, who also helped accepted the arrangements of the partitions of India with heavy hearts. Now students, Mountbatten plans you have to remember. On March 24th, Viceroy Mountbatten presented the scheme. 12th March 24th. According to him, there was no alternative than to give a separate to partition the India. National leaders like Sardar Patel understood the matter. After many discussion, finally on 3rd June 1947, my Viceroy Mountbatten decided to plan the partition of India. This plan was considered as Mountbatten Plan. The Congress leader Muslim League accepted this plan. When Mountbatten Plan presented getting implemented, the people of East Bengal, Sylhet province of Assam decided to join Pakistan. West Bengal, East Bengal were affiliated in India as per the decision of their assembly. But West Punjab that joined with the Pakistan. It was decided to affiliate Northwest province, Sindh, Baluchistan with the Pakistan. Indian Independence Act 1947. The British government passed the Indian Independence Act according to Mountbatten Plan. According to this, India's first Governor General was Mountbatten and Janab Jinnah was the Governor General of the Pakistan. By this act, Indian independence of British rule came to an end, and therefore Gandhiji considered this act the one and only best beneficial act that given by the Britishers to India. Now students, the last Viceroy of British government organized a function at New Delhi. So midnight of August 14, the Union Jack of England, means flag of England, was brought down from the pole and Indian national flag tricolor hosted. Now students, you have to remember this. The document attributing the independence of India handed over by the Mountbatten to Rajgopalachari. So he was the first Governor General of independent India. Entire atmosphere was full of excitement. Entire process transfer of that completed. On August 15th, 1947 was an excellent dawn, means Subah, for India. All celebrated the first independence festivals very pleasantly, cheerfully in the entire country. Everywhere people hung the torans at good omen on doors. Sweets were distributed in schools. Many people who had taken a vow felt relieved on it. Fulfillment. Shapat. Those who have taken the Shapat for this, they relieve now. But Gandhiji was shocked because of the partition of the Hindu and Muslim. They plunged into the grief, dukh, and drift into the meditation. Now, after the problem of independence, what kind of problem arises? So, India and Pakistan, two separate independent nations, came into existence. As a result of Mountbatten Plan, Indian Independence Act 1947, the problems that started, that first, military forces that divided into India and Pakistan, disputes over assets, means properties and assets, then debt, matlab karja, and credits divide among both the countries. Problem of resettlement of refugees, the person who came from the Pakistan to India, and the person who moved to the India to Pakistan. Public service and arrangement of civil servant, mean those who are in the government job like in the army, navy, air force, administrative staff. Then demarcation of international boundary, making the boundaries between the India and the Pakistan of the eastern and western side of India to fixed on. This problem arises. To solve this problem, 5-member committees appointing 2 representatives each from India and Pakistan was formed under the chairmanship of Lord Mountbatten. The committee appointed different commission consisting of experts So all the 6 problem expert appointed. In the case of the difference of opinion, both the nations admitted to accept the final decision given by the arbitrator. The third person will give the decision that they have to accept. Consisting of one representative of India, one of the Pakistan under chairmanship of former Chief Justice of India, Military Commandant General of India complied to the partition of army, dividing the army and military weapons. The British Army left the India by February 28, 1948. All the officers, employees, administration, military, judiciary, they have given the opportunity to choose any country. They have given the assurance for their payment, allowance, security, all will be the same. Pension. A large number of refugees from both the countries migrated, leaving their own house properties over there. So India had to solve the problem of this. Rehabilitation, restoration very skillfully and patiently. The Deputy Prime Minister, Home Minister, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel plays most important role. They merged the 562 princely states in the Indian Union. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's strong determination, iron will, diplomatic negotiation solve the problems. Yet, long-term planning find the solution to problem ill effect of communal rights due to the partition. Between the Hindu and Muslim, the problem arises. The shock of Mahatma Gandhi's death to make the independent India self-reliant with the help of the good governance. The weak condition of Indian agriculture to create the atmosphere of peace in the country, the internal and external security of the country become necessary. Now, Quit India movement, various that you have to write it down full, students. Quit India movement, page number 33. Azad Hind Fauj, page number, students, Azad Hind Fauj, students, page number 35, you have to write it down this full. Okay, then Simon Commission, student, page number 31, first paragraph you have to write down. Demand for complete independence, page number 31, last paragraph, full you have to write it down. Dandi March, students, page number 32, in that this full paragraph, but you have to comprehend the answer. Subhash Chandra Bose, that page number 34 and 35, that you have to write it down, students. Now, why did the people oppose the Simon Commission? Their answer you find out over here. So this commission was appointed for the India, but there were not a single Indian member included in it. So that was people of India opposite. Mention the slogan "Chalo Delhi, tum mujhe खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा." When was the plan submitted? Presented on March 24th. So when the power was transferred to India by British, so the power was transferred the midnight of the 14th, that, and the first Governor General, that was Sri Rajagopalachari of the India. Okay, so all the MCQs that discuss over here, the tick mark over here, students, you have to do that. Total members of this, that 8 members. Clear? Dandi March that started 12th March 1930. Third, Mahadev Bhai Desai. Fourth, Complete Freedom. Fifth, 10 years. Sixth, Lala Lajpat Rai B. 7th, Subhash Chandra Bose A. And 8th, Mountbatten.